Where are you from?
Eritrea,
Eritrea borders 3 countries. Name them.
Djibouti, Sudan, and Ethiopia.
True or false, one of the oldest human skeletons was discovered in Eritrea.
True?
What do the colours of the Eritrean flag represent?
So the green represents agriculture, blue represents the water, I'm guessing like the Red Sea. The red represents the blood, like we lost in the war. So when it comes to like the center of the flag, there's like the red part, which is like bigger on the left side or the right side, and then it goes smaller, and it basically represents like at the beginning of the war when we were losing lots of blood, like losing many soldiers because we didn't really have a lot. Yeah, towards the end we gained our independence and we won the war, like okay say.
How many tribes does Eritrea have?
We have 9 tribes.
Name them.
Tigrinya, Tigre, Saho, Afar, Shaida, Nara, Hidreb, Kunama, Nara.
Impressive.
Light work.
What's the capital city?
Asmara.
What's the population?
Around 3 million.
3.6 million.